Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to navigate Excel like a pro, without touching your mouse. I'll show you how pressing just one key, the Alt key, can unlock hidden shortcuts and help you work faster. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial, as a PDF, by following the link in the video description below. When you press the Alt key, Excel reveals what is called key tips. These are small letter and number indicators that appear on the ribbon. These key tips show you what keys to press next to access different features, all without using your mouse. For example, if I press the Alt key, you'll see letters appear on top of each tab. If I want to open the Home tab, I can just press H on my keyboard. The following examples are designed to help you navigate Excel using the Alt key and key tips. While some tasks may have shorter shortcuts, this method shows you how to explore Excel's menus without a mouse. Let's try a quick navigation. I'll press Alt, then H, to open the Home tab. Now, you'll see more key tips for different commands in this tab. If I want to bold text, I can press the number 1. Just like that. I applied bold formatting without using my mouse. Now let's try something practical, changing the font size using the Alt key. First, I press the Alt key. Then I press H, plus F, plus S. This selects the font size box. At this point you can put in the font size you want, and press Enter. But let's take this one step further. You can open the drop-down list by simply pressing the down arrow key. Now, I can use the arrow keys to navigate through the different font sizes, and press Enter to apply the font size I want. Now that you've seen how powerful the Alt key can be, take some time to explore other shortcuts on your own. Press Alt, and see what key tips appear. Try navigating different tabs and commands without your mouse. The more you practice, the faster you'll become at using Excel efficiently. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.